Mommy.
Mommy, Daddy, and Mommy, Daddy, where are you? My brother and sister are missing too. I can't believe that this sister have no house. What will I do? I'm shaking and crying, going nowhere. People have trees. Nanaganda ako ah.
Sige, go.
Nasaktan.
People cat, go.
People cut trees. They don't even care. Typhoon is coming. Winds are blowing. Winds are blowing. I must keep going. After a few days, the typhoon had passed. Riches and houses, they're awash. The child asked, what happened to us? Your mother answered, and God will trust. People learn from their experience. It plant the trees and clean their place. I'm so glad and I comply that the rich, the clear blue sky. Oh, thank you, Lord. Is still here, safe and sound, tears are clear. Your mother whispered, don't worry, my dear, we can fly all day without any fear. Fly without fear, my mother replied.
Good job. Galing.